फक्त प्रत्येक आमदारान आपली विकासाची गोष्टी सांगता आणि मायनिंग एक करचे बेगीन जावचे कशें तरी सेंट्रल अपील करते उलोवचे सगळ्यांनी आमदारांनी सांगता
प्रायम मिनिस्टरान उलोवचें सीएमार कितें उलयता म्हटलां
सीएमान आयकून घेतलं सगळें
तूं उलयता म्हणून सांगून
आयकून घेतलं न्ही सीएम हय ना काय सीएम आमचे प्रयत्न करतलो
हेल्थ बरें आसलें
हेल्थ बरें 6 वर सुमार बैठक जाली हेजेर पळय
सीएम एक वेळ कॉल करतलो पीएम
हय हय शुअर
कॉल करतो
were there, they have already been resolved. The recruitment is going to start shortly now in all the departments.
Morning he had a meeting with officials and asked directed them to
It was
expedite recruitment.
it was a precursor to the meeting with the MLAs because as you know, some people did go public expressing different opinions, even MLAs, whether ministers. So all that was taken into consideration. Exercise is that in spite of he functioning from home, to see that everything is streamlined. That was the whole emphasis.
So on assembly election, Lok Sabha Parliament election, did he direct MLAs to work together or start campaign or something?
Specifically, we did not discuss only election. He said for that he will be calling a separate meeting. This was to discuss issues and to discuss and streamline the functioning of the government.
Is it possible for CM in near future to attend in secretariat?
To be very frank, without any exaggeration, he appeared in very good health, and I must say from all the times that I saw him, he is certainly looks like a much improved person, and that he is recovering very well. That is my observation also.
Sir, regarding mining, they are not getting the amendment bill in the parliament.
As I said, there is everything that is to be done for the early resumption of mining is to be done. I can say only this much. And in fact, everybody was quite vociferous that we need mining to start because that is also impacting on the overall finances of the state. So we have realized that. So they said when center is already seized, you know very well that till 11th, they said after 11th they will come to resolution of various other problems, even in regard to various other things, because obviously elections are there. Only because of that.
Anything about MGB petition in
MLA's meeting, but it was a little different because obviously, as you know, we met after a long time. Everything about development in all constituencies was discussed. Everything about the running of the administration was discussed. Everything was discussed to streamline the functioning overall, and we discussed various difficulties that were felt. In the course of the discussion, certain highlights were there obviously, like starting of mining at the earliest. The moment elections, electoral process in 3 states is over, to prevail upon the High Command of the BJP to act fast and see that some solution whereby we will be able to start mining. So this was one of the main issues. Rest of it, of course, as I said, it was development in their respective constituencies. It was the strengths and the shortcomings in different functioning of the ministries as to where it needs toning up. All that was discussed, and we decided to meet again individually if certain problems still remain unresolved.
So anything regarding political situation was discussed?
Politically, the need was discussed that all have to work together and see that everything functions properly, because we will soon have to face a parliamentary election and 2 assembly seats also where we will have to face an election, to see that a message goes that we have good functional government, works are taking place in the respective constituencies, and issues whether they are mining or other issues that we face, we will attain closure by proper resolution.
What Parrikar asked his MLAs?
No, he individually asked every MLA as to what is his difficulty, what he wants done, what he encounters because of the peculiar circumstances that he is sick and he is not able to be available day to day. So everybody expressed his problem and he gave a solution. He actively participated, took very keen and deep interest in each and everyone's query, and also gave a solution. In fact, it was a very lively discussion that took place.
So mining, what did he say?
Mining, he said that all realize they are waiting for final word as to which way to proceed, what to do as far as resumption of mining is concerned. They are waiting for word from Delhi, from the Honorable Prime Minister and the other leaders before whom they have placed the grievance.